Hi friends, today I'm reading a special book I wrote called My Light. Discover the story of Nia and Ayo as they go on a journey to discover something special about their own inner light. Would you want to discover something special about your inner light too? Okay, come on, let's go then. In a small peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river lived two curious children, Nia and Ayo. Nia, a thoughtful and imaginative girl, loved to ask questions about the world and herself. Ayo, an adventurous and determined boy, wanted to prove his strength and find his own purpose. Though they saw the world differently, they were both searching for the same thing, their own inner light. One evening, as they watched the fireflies dance in the twilight, Nia's wise grandmother sat beside them and whispered, "Everyone has a light inside them, a light that makes them who they are. But to see it, you must first go on a journey." Their journey started at dawn as they followed the gentle breeze rustling through the trees. Nia wondered aloud, "What is my light?" Ayo, more eager for action, asked, "How do we find it?" And so, Nia and Ayo's adventure to discover their light began. The wind whispered back, "Listen closely and you will know." As they walked through the forest, they met an old storyteller who sat beneath a giant oak tree. "Tell us a story about discovering oneself," Nia requested. The storyteller smiled and shared the tale of a young eagle who lived among chickens, never knowing it was meant to soar high. One day, the eagle realized it had wings strong enough to carry it high above the clouds. Nia saw the lesson as finding one's inner voice, while Ayo saw it as pushing through challenges to reach new heights. As they continued their journey, they reached a calm, clear river. Nia knelt by the water and saw her own reflection. "Who am I?" she asked. Ayo, more restless, tossed a stone into the water. "Maybe we shouldn't just look. Maybe we should create something that shows who we are." The river rippled and spoke, "Look deeper, not just at what you see, but at what you feel." Nearby, an artist was painting on a canvas. "Why do you paint?" Nia asked. "Because it shows the world how I see things," the artist replied. "Each person sees the world differently, and that is their light." Nia realized her light might be in the way she observed and understood things. Ayo, inspired, decided that his light might be in his ability to act and create. The path led them to the base of a great mountain. "To find our light, we must climb," Nia said thoughtfully. Ayo grinned. "I'll race you to the top," and they raced off to find their lights. The climb was difficult. At times, Nia hesitated, unsure of her strength, while Ayo pushed forward eagerly. But then, Ayo faced a tricky rock ledge and felt stuck. "I can't do this," he admitted. Nia reached out, offering a new path he hadn't noticed. "Maybe your light isn't just in strength, but also learning from others." At the summit, an elder said, "Your light is not just what you love or how you see the world. It's also the strength inside you, the path that keeps going even when things are hard." As Nia and Ayo made their way home, they realized something: each of them had found their light in different ways. Nia was with her curiosity and understanding, while Ayo's was in his courage and actions. But both were equally important. That night, as they sat under the stars, Ayo whispered, "I have found my light." Nia smiled, "And now we must let it shine." Nia's grandmother nodded, and together your lights will make the world brighter. Everyone has a light inside them. It is made of their thoughts, their strengths, their dreams, and their uniqueness. Just like Nia and Ayo, every child can go on a journey to discover who they truly are. And when they find it, they should let it shine for the whole world to see. I hope you've enjoyed this story, and watch out for the second book, My Belief, Understanding My Values. Thanks for listening and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.